Today's video will feature the top 15 muscle cars that sold at the Mecum Auctions Tulsa 2026 auction. Number 15, Lot F227, is a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS with a 396 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed transmission, and it sold for $51,700 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 14,888 miles, and the exterior color is white, interior color is white, and the highlights: 396 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, factory air conditioning car, currently not equipped with a compressor, aluminum radiator, electric fan, Bluetooth radio, and new rally wheels. Number 14, Lot S92, is a 1970 Dodge Challenger with a 440 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and vintage air conditioning. And it sold for $52,800 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 6,015 miles, and the highlights are 440 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, vintage air conditioning, power brakes, power steering, and shaker hood. And this one was originally a 318 car that somebody added the 440 engine and the shaker hood, which isn't a bad combination. And it's also just a regular Challenger, not an RT. So they added the RT stripes to it as well, and have the nice Magnum 500 wheels. Number 13, Lot S133, is a 1969 Oldsmobile Hurst Olds with a 455 cubic inch V8 with 380 horsepower, an automatic transmission, and one of 906 produced, and it sold for $55,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 57,992 miles. Specifications: exterior color cameo white and fire frost. Interior color is black. And model is Hurst Olds. And the highlights are one of 906 produced for 1969. 455, 380 horsepower rocket V8 engine with factory replacement block. Original automatic transmission. Hurst his and hers dual gauge shifter. Power brakes. Dual scoop hood. Ram air induction with Hurst Olds specific intake and air cleaner setup. Number 12, Lot S190, is a 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $60,500 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. And the odometer reads 93,335 miles. Exterior color is Highland green. Interior color is black. Body style fastback. And the highlights are S code 390 cubic inch FE series V8 engine, aluminum intake manifold, Edelbrock aluminum heads, pulley kit, aluminum radiator, Ford C6 3-speed automatic transmission, factory air conditioning. Number 11, Lot F131, is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT with a 440 cubic inch V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and air conditioning. and it sold for $62,700 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. And odometer reads 790 miles. And then the exterior color is bright red. Interior color is red. Model Challenger trim submodel RT. And highlights are 440 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, aluminum heads, air conditioning, rally instrument cluster, bucket seats and console, vinyl top, and rally wheels. Number 10. Lot S114 is a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RSSS Pace Car Edition convertible with a 396 350 horsepower V8 engine, automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, and it sold for $66,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 64,609 miles. And it's a 396 L34 350 horsepower V8 engine, automatic transmission, turbo 400. Color exterior is Dover white. Color interior is orange houndstooth. And it's a RSSS Pace Car Edition convertible. And it's a factory Z11 package, factory 396 350 horsepower big block V8 engine, turbo 400 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, very rare factory air conditioning, bucket seats and center console with gauges, front and rear spoilers, houndstooth interior, special ducted hood, rally wheels. Number 9. Lot S88 is a 1965 Dodge Coronet 500 convertible, one of 155 produced, 426 cubic inch V8, 4-speed transmission, and it sold for $73,700 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read some of the highlights from the Mecum website. And odometer reads 61,825 miles. And it's 426 cubic inch V8, 4-speed manual transmission, exterior color red, interior color black. And it's a model Coronet 500 convertible. And one of 155 produced, original drivetrain, matching numbers 426 cubic inch V8 street wedge V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, red exterior with one repaint, power operated white convertible top, original black interior. Number 8, lot S147 is a 1970 Pontiac Trans Am, rotisserie restored, one of 3,198 produced for 1970, matching numbers 400, 335 horsepower V8 automatic, and it sold for $74,800 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read some of the highlights from the Mecum website. And the odometer reads 99,663 miles. And it was rotisserie restored, one of 3,198 produced for 1970. Matching numbers Ram Air 3 400, 335 horsepower V8 engine, turbo 400 automatic transmission, 12-bolt rear axle, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air conditioning, bucket seats and console, tachometer, Rally 2 wheels, Goodyear polyglass tires, and PHS Pontiac Historical Society documents. Number 7. Lot S150 is a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 with the L34 350 horsepower V8 and turbo 400 automatic transmission and air conditioning. And it's sold for $80,850 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights about the car. And the odometer reads 77,089 miles. And it's highly original, documented example. Matching numbers 396, 350 horsepower V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, factory bucket seats and center console, staple shifter, white vinyl top, 5-spoke Supersport wheels, Goodyear Eagle ST tires, includes Protecto plate, original order sheet, drive-away tag from 1969, and original license plate bolts and packaging. Number 6. Lot S103.1 is a 1966 Pontiac GTO with a 400 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission. And it sold for $86,900 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read some of the highlights from the Mecum auction site. It has 67,078 miles, and it's factory GTO, PHS documentation, YS 400 cubic inch V8 engine, tri-power setup added, automatic transmission, candlelight cream exterior, black vinyl top, black interior, bucket seats, center console, rally dash, rear speaker, power windows, rear defroster, power antenna, power steering, dual exhaust, Pontiac Rally 1 wheels, redline tires, original owner's manual, and Protecto plate. Number 5. Lot S95 is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT, matching numbers V code 440, 390 horsepower, 6-pack V8, 4-speed, and air conditioning. And it sold for $97,900 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 78,323 miles. And it's matching numbers V code 440, 390 horsepower, 6-pack V8 engine, 4-speed transmission with a pistol grip shifter, super track pack 410 Dana rear axle, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, rally instrument cluster with tachometer, bucket seats and console, Music Master AM radio, vinyl top, rally wheels, Goodyear Polyglass GT tires. Number 4. Lot S132 is a 1969 Plymouth GTX with a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration, a 440 V8, and a 4-speed. And it sold for $99,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 96,980 miles. And Arizona car, documented nut and bolt rotisserie restoration completed in 2014 by Keith Noel Automotive in West Branch, Iowa. broadcast sheet, fender tag, matching numbers 440 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, matching numbers 4-speed manual transmission, matching numbers rear end, A33 track pack, AM radio with cassette, black vinyl roof, power brakes, console with wood grain panel, bucket seats, light green metallic exterior, photos and receipts of restoration, Concours Gold certificate with a score of 95 out of 100, and that was at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, the McCacken show, and that gives you an idea of how nice a car it is, plus the fact that the restoration was done 12 years ago. Number 3. Lot S139 is a 1970 Pontiac Trans Am Ram Air 400 V8 automatic transmission, and it sold for $107,800 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights of the car. It had 566 miles on the odometer after the restoration, I'm sure. And it was in Lucerne blue with blue interior. Had a comprehensive frame-off restoration, PHS documentation, Ram Air, matching numbers 400 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, Lucerne blue exterior, blue interior, tilt steering column, formula steering wheel, bucket seats, center console, factory air conditioning, rally gauge cluster, clock, body color mirrors, recessed windshield wipers, power steering, $25,000 in parts receipts, and Pontiac Historical Society window sticker, and safety track differential, power front disc brakes, Rally 2 wheels, BF Goodrich Radial TA white letter tires. Number 2. Lot S97 is a 1970 Plymouth GTX hardtop V-code 440 6-barrel V8 automatic, and it sold for $121,000 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 41,127 miles. And it's a factory V-code 6-barrel GTX, one of 328 V-code GTXs produced with automatic transmission, matching numbers 440, 390 horsepower, 6-barrel V8 engine, 727 automatic transmission, factory A32 super performance axle with 410 Dana 60 rear and power front disc brakes, air grabber hood, bucket seats and console, vinyl top, rally wheels, Goodyear Polyglass GT tires, factory EV2 Tour Red car, fender tag. And as you see on the poster board there that they had at the auction, it has a breakdown of the fender tag showing all the different option codes that were on this car from new. And it was quite a few of them. And the number one selling muscle car at the Mecum Tulsa 2026 auction is lot number S106, is a 1969 Oldsmobile 442 W30 convertible, one of only 91 made with a 4-speed, and it has a 400 V8 with 360 horsepower, and it sold Saturday, June 6th for $126,500. And I'll read off the Mecum website, some of the highlights of it. And it's one of 121 W30 convertibles for 1969, of which only 91 were equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. Body off rotisserie restored to Concours standards, completed in 2019. Rebuilt 400 cubic inch ramrod V8 engine, rated at 360 horsepower and 440 foot-pounds of torque. Correct D high-performance cylinder heads. Correct W and Z exhaust manifolds. Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission. 12-bolt anti-spin rear end with upgraded W27 aluminum differential cover. W30 specific forced air induction system with low-mounted intake scoops and dual snorkel air cleaner. W30 specific lightweight red plastic front inner fender liners, finished in its rare factory colors of code 61 sable poly with gold stripes. Power assisted black convertible top, restored interior in code 934 medium gold, restored trunk with full-size spare, built at the Lansing, Michigan plant on April 18, 1969. Sold new at Parkwood Central Oldsmobile in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. GM of Canada paperwork included, restoration photos included, engine rebuild invoice included. So there you have it. Those are the top 15 muscle cars that sold at the Mecum Tulsa 2026 auction that was held June 5th and 6th, 2026 at the SageNet Center at Expo Square in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.